It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. I'm so happy you're here today. Are you feeling excited? Because I am feeling super duper extra excited. Today is a very special day. Can you guess why? Is it because my pencil is dancing? No! Is it because the cake is singing? Maybe! Yay! It's because we are welcoming New Year 2026. And what does New Year love the most? A big, cute, happy, colourful cake. Yum, yum, yum. I think this cake might be smiling already. Today, we're going to draw a super cute New Year cake together. It will be full of fun, bright colours, and lots of New Year magic. Uh-oh. Do cakes talk? I think this one does. And done. Our New Year cake is ready. Woohoo! Great job. Now let's make our drawing nice and strong. We're going over the lines. Ooh, look! The cake is getting bolder. Strong lines, happy cake. Now the New Year's cake is much more clearly visible. Wow, do you see that? So many colours. Wow, like fireworks on New Year's Eve. Ooh, look at the candle flames on top of the cake. They're dancing and wiggling, just like tiny New Year lights. Wow. Let's start colouring them nice and bright. Slow and gentle. Up, 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 and down. Wow. These flames look warm and cosy. Do you see how they flicker? One little flame says, hello. Another flame says, I'm glowing. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, all 4 flames are shining so happily. It looks like the cake is ready to make a New Year wish. Look, friends, the flame are dancing. So adorable. Colour blue. Now it's time to colour the number candles. Let's start with number 6. Wow. This 6 is blue, cool and calm. Going around the big curve of the 6, the blue 6 looks so friendly. Can you imagine them singing Happy New Year together? They're shouting and giggling while standing tall, ready to welcome all the fun of 2026. Do they like colours? Yes. Wow. Red, yellow, green and blue. All bright and cheerful for 2026. Wow. Colour green. Wow. Next is the other number 2. This one is Be Green Tinted, nice and fresh. Colouring the green 2 carefully. Green like a happy leaf. Numbers are magical on cakes. They help us count the years and celebrate New Year. The numbers look like tiny little friends, wiggling and waving at the candle flames, saying, hello everyone, let's have a party. Colour yellow. Now here comes the number 0. This one is yellow, like sunshine. Round and smooth, around and around. The yellow 0 looks warm and bright. Are the numbers friends? Absolutely. They love each other and are holding hands to celebrate the new year. Colouring the numbers makes them look even more alive, like tiny little dancing fireworks. Wow. Colour red. And now the last number. This too is Ridpoogish, bright and cheerful, colouring slowly around the curves. The red too looks so bold and happy. Look at our 2026 candles together. Wow, they're standing tall like a little rainbow of colours. Red, yellow, green and blue, all ready to dance on the cake for New Year's Eve. Colour pink. Here comes the sweet part. Let's colour the icing on top of the cake. Nice soft pink, going all the way across. Slow strokes, left to right. The icing looks squishy and yummy. Do you think it tastes sweet? I think so. The pink color makes the cake look happy. Going around the bumpy edges, careful and calm. The cake looks like it's wearing a pink hat. So cute and pretty. Ooh, I think the cake just giggled. The icing is tickling it from the sprinkles. Silly little cake.
Wow!
Is the cake happy? Yes, it's smiling under all the frosting and candles, ready for a New Year party. Pink icing is bright and cheerful, just like our smiles while celebrating 2026. Color purple. Ooh, look at this little flame. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle on top of the candle. I think it's dancing because it's so excited for New Year's Eve. Now, let's color the plate under the cake. This plate is purple-bow, strong and fancy. Coloring straight across the bottom, nice and smooth. The plate is holding the cake safely. Good job, plate. Purple makes it look special, like a party plate. The cake is sitting so nicely. Almost done. Wow, the purple looks perfect. Ooh, maybe the plate is whispering to the cake. Hold on tight. We're going to celebrate 2026 together. Is the plate happy? Yes. It's holding the cake carefully and smiling under all the colors and candles. Coloring the plate makes the cake look even more magical. A perfect party for our eyes and imagination. Wow, maybe our cake wants to dance too. Wobble, wobble, shake, shake. Silly cake, let's spin together. Does it like colors? Yes. The pink icing, purple plate, and colorful sprinkles make it happy. Did you know cakes are often part of New Year celebrations? They make everyone feel happy and excited.
Wow!
I think the cake is giving a little hug to the purple plate. Cozy and happy together for our celebration. Is it friends with the candles? Totally. The numbers and flames are having a fun party on top. One flame is saying, "Peekaboo, can you see me?" And then it giggles and hides behind the other flames, silly little fire friends. Look at those tiny sprinkles. Let's color them one by one. This sprinkle gets a color. Now let's color the star in the middle. The star is bright and shiny. Let's color it carefully inside the lines. Color orange.
Wow!
It feels like New Year magic right on the cake. So colorful and fun. Woohoo! Ha 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 ha. Our 2026 cake is ready to celebrate. Sparkly, colorful, and super fun. Thanks for coloring with me today. Remember to subscribe so we can go on even more exciting, happy, and cute drawing adventures together.
Wow!
Happy New Year, friends. See you on next video.